Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everybody. How are you? How is going? We complete our final revision, second part. We stopped in question number 34. What is the area? Area, we have to know that is area is, if you count the area as a square inside the shape, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here is the area. Another thing here is, if you count here, we find the length. L is 4, and here is 1, 2, 3. Width is 3. And as we said before, area, it depends about multiplication. We can multiply 4, multiply by 3, length multiply by width. We get it 12, as we see here. Here is the answer is 12 square unit. Here is what is a perimeter. Perimeter depend about addition. Here is if you add outside, the perimeter is a outside shape. Here is a 3. And if we count outside the shape, here is also 3. And here is also 3. And here is 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We get it 12 units. Okay, here is the perimeter. The next one, number 36, the area. Here is a say the area of rectangle is 72 square unit. One side is 9 unit. What is the other side? And here is, the area equal, as we said before, length L multiplied by W. يبقى here is area is 72 and one of the side length is 9. What is the width? Which we can divide it both side by 9. 72 divided by 9 to get it W. يبقى the other side is gonna be 9. Gonna be 8, sorry. يبقى 8 units like this. Sometimes I say, what is the perimeter? If you want to find the perimeter of the rectangle, here is, we can apply the rule perimeter equal L plus W multiplied by 2. You know the perimeter. Here is a L, here is a W, and here is L, and here is W. L is and the W repeated twice. This means that we have to add them and multiply by 2. Or we can say L plus W plus L plus W, like this. And here is, for example, we have W is 8, and given we have L is 9. We can say 8 plus 9 multiplied by 2. Yes, 8 plus 9, 16, 17. Sorry, multiply by 2, 34. Here is if I say find the perimeter of this shape. But concentrate how to get it, the perimeter. The next one, the volume. The volume equal length multiplied by width multiplied by height. We have to multiply, and the concentrate of the unit here is yard, the same unit. If one change, yani, for example, here is 11 meter, and here is 60 centimeter, and here is 500, for example, millimeter. We have to change this unit. We have to know how to change it. We have kilometer, kilometer, and the meter, and the centimeter, and the millimeter. To have to know how to convert between them. Here is 1000, and here is 100, and here is 10. Down we multiply, up we will divide it. But here is, if you want to change meter to centimeter, you multiply 100. But here is, we just only put to 0, and here is millimeter. To change it, here is a centimeter, for example. If you change 500 to centimeter, we have to divide it by 10. For example, you have to divide it, you get it 50 centimeter. After that, you multiply 50, multiply by 60, multiply by 1,000 and 100. For example, if you want to change, yani, but it's easy. Here is just only you will multiply because the same unit, 11 multiply by 6, multiply by 5, length, multiply by width, multiply by height, and you get its answer as we know 30 multiply by 11, it is 3, 3, and put 0. Yes. Here is a cube. Yes, what I mean. Concentrate again how to change the unit. Here is the volume. We have to multiply again L multiply by W multiply by height volume and so on. We can do it yani fast. Here is 5 multiply by 12 multiply by 7, 60 multiply by 7, put 0, and here is 42. Here is how to get it. The next one. Again, what is the volume? We have a cube. Rectangular prism or a cube. What the meaning by cube? Cube is the same side, يعني 5 5 5. يبقى L multiply by W multiply by H. L is 5, W is 5, H also is 5. Just only multiply 125 centimeter cube like this. Centimeter cube. Okay. The next one. Number 40. If a rectangular, here is the same rectangular prism volume equal length. You have to put the formula. After that, substitute, multiply by height. Here is give it to us the volume 4 to 0, and the length is 12, and the width is 7, and the height unknown. We can multiply 12 or multiply by 7, yes, or leave it the same, and to get it the height 420 divided by 12 multiplied by 7 like this. It's better because I just only 42 divided by 7 is 60, and 60 divided by 12 it's gonna be 5. It is easy. And instead to multiply and divide it after that. That's the same. If you want to multiply 7 multiplied by 12, 84, and after that 420 divided by 84, as you like. But here is easy way to get it. Okay, the next one. Here is number 41. 41, you know this, here is height, the same. And here is width, because opposite. And here is the length. As we said, volume equal length multiply by width multiply by height. There is 2, 5, 2, and the length here is 7. The width, don't repeat the 4, يعني don't say 4 multiply by 4, because here is width and width. Multiply by 4 multiply by h. Again, we can divide it both side by 7 multiplied by 4. Here is 2, 5, 2 over 7 multiplied by 4. You can simplify as you like. Maybe 25 divided by 4. 25 divided by 4, we get it. Here is 6, and remainder 1. 12 divided by 4, we get it 3. 63 divided by 7 equal 9. It is how to get it like this. Okay, the next one. Calculate the volume again. The volume of cube with side. As we said, volume is length multiplied by width multiplied by height. Here is a cube, يعني length is 4, width is also 4. All of them are equal, and the height is also 4. Just only 4 multiplied by 4, 16. 16 multiplied by 4, gonna be 64 inch cube. Okay, the next one. Number 40, yes. Number 43, how to get a surface area. Surface area equal length multiplied by width, width multiplied by height, and length multiplied by width. Like this, multiplied by 2. How to get it? We have a length, width, height. You do like a circle, like this. After that, multiply. After that, add and multiply by 2. How to get it like this? Here is a 14, a 16, and a 4. Just only multiply them. 2, 14 multiplied by 6, plus 6 multiplied by 4, plus 4 multiplied by 14. We just only multiply. After that, add and multiply by 2. 6 multiplied by 4, 24, put 4 up to 684. Here is 24. Here is 16 up 1. Okay, 56. If you add them, here is 80. 80 يبقى 164 multiply by 2. Here is 8 and here is 32. Here is the answer. How to get it? Yes. يبقى concentrate how to apply the rule. It is the rule. Here is the rule. Concentrate how to do it. Here is the rule of surface area of cuboid or rectangular prism. The next one. Here is, as we said, we choose this one because I just only multiply 2 multiply. Here is, it's better I do like this, 2 LW, because I take 2 as a common factor. It's better than this one, LH plus WH. Okay, like this. I take 2 as a common factor, like this. Okay. Here is just only he multiply. Yani the same rule, the previous rule, but I multiply. I just used like this. I multiply first by 2, second by 2, and so on, like this. Okay, next one. How to find the surface area? Again, just only 12, 12, 12. Multiply, 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 and add, multiply by 2. 12 multiplied by 12, plus 12 multiplied by 12, plus 12 multiplied by 12, and all of them multiplied by 2, 144, plus 144, plus 144, like this, multiplied by 2. We can add 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 30. 12 plus 13, and 1, 1, 1, 4. Gonna be like this, multiply by 2, يبقى 4, and here is 3, multiply by 2, 6, and here is, we have another formula, but it's easy to do like this. It's correct. Another formula, just you multiply 6 multiply by area of one face. The surface area of cube. 6, why 6? Because the 6 faces is the same area. 12 multiplied by area of one face, 12 multiplied by 12, you get it 144. If you multiply by 144 multiplied by 6, it's gonna be 864. We have a two-way, as you like to do it. Can use the second way or the first as we like. The next one, here is, we can, as we said before, we can close the shape. Okay, to do like this, you find the large area of large square area. Here is area of large square, or area of, you have to do like this. Area of large square of rectangle. 8, here is 4, 4, and here is also 4. Large rectangle, because it's also rectangle. 8 multiplied by, it is 4 plus 4 plus 4, we get it 12. Here is 96. Area of a square, square. Here is 4 multiplied by 4, you get it 16. We will subtract to get it 80 is the answer. 80 is the answer. We have another way. We can divide it like this, but I prefer the first. It's easier than the second. A and B and the C. We get it 4 to get it. Area of A is 4 multiplied by what? Here is 4. Here is also 4. Here is 8, and here is 8. If I have to multiply 4 multiplied by 8, 32. Shape B, we have to multiply 4 multiply by what? This what? We have to count it. Here is 8, and here is 4. 8 cut 4, we get it 4. يبقى 4 by 4, we get it 16. And the C, how to get the C? Here is 4, and here is 8 also. 4 multiplied by 8, get it 32. If you add them, we get it 80, the same. We will add them. Okay, the second, I think that the first one easier than the second way. Yes, here is the next one, 47. Find the perimeter. Find the perimeter. We have to find the missing side. Here is a missing. As we said before in revision in part 1, we do like this, opposite side, and the 6 we can move this side like this. 3, all of them equal 6. 6 minus 3 gonna be 3. That is how to get it the first side missing. The next one, here is how to get it. Here is a 5, and here is 2, and here is missing side. We can move it 2 here, gonna be equal 5. All of them is 5. 5 cut 2, we get it 3. Here is just only add 6 plus 2. Here is the perimeter, depend about addition, as we said before. 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5, and so on. What we do, we will do like this. It's gonna be 22. Yes. The next one, number 48. What is the area of shape? What is the area of shape? Area, we have to divide it, as we have two ways. As we said before, we can complete the shape like this. Large, again, large, area of large, rectangle, whatever. It's gonna be 7 multiplied by 10 equals 70. And area, this one here is 7. We have to find the missing side here. Here is 7, and here is also 7. Opposite side are equal. Here is 3, and here is 7. Here is 7. Here is 7 plus what? Equal 10. 7 plus 3. The area of a square, 3 multiplied by 3 equal 9. We'll subtract. We get it 64. Yes, we have another way. As we said, we can divide it like this. A and B and calculate them, or we divide it like this. A and B, as you like. We have many ways to solve it. Okay. The next one, 48. 48, how to find the area. Here is our shaded part. Here is we just only here is a large area of large the same large rectangle. It's gonna be 10 multiplied by 12. 10 multiplied by 12 equal 70 equal 120, and area of small what here is we have a problem. Here is 12 and cut 1 and also cut 1. It's gonna be 10, and the same is 10 cut 2.5. Again I make it again. Here is the first one. Here is a 12. Here is 12. Cut 1 and cut 1. Here is to get this side. 12 minus 1, 11. 12 minus 1, 10. Here is the missing side. Here is 10. How to get it the width? Here is 10 cut 2.5, also cut 2.5. You get it 5. A small rectangle is 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. We will subtract 120 minus 50. We get a 70 centimeter square, and so on. Here is area of a regular shape. Again, it's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is a 12 square unit like this. Okay, the next one. Perimeter, as we said before, perimeter depend about outside the shape. Here is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, gonna be 16 units, and so on. The next one. The next one, a rectangle with the area, as we said before, area equal length multiplied by width. Area, he gave it to us. Area is 30. There is a 30 equal length. Length is 6. The other side, which is the number W, we can divide it by 6 to get it W. W get it 5. Again, as we said before, we can ask you about perimeter. You have to add 5 plus 6 multiplied by 2. Yes. What is the area? Again, we can count it. It's easy. I can skip it as you like. Count 1, 2, 3, and so on. The next one, the perimeter of square. Here is, say the perimeter of a square is 48. What is the area? Here is what the meaning by perimeter. You know that the square have 4 sides, and each side are equal. Perimeter of square equal side multiplied by 4. Why? I mentioned before that is perimeter is addition. Why you say multiply by 4? Because all sides are equal. Here is a side repeated 4 times. Here is not 5. Here is side. Okay. Here is side multiplied by 4. Here they say that the perimeter is 48. Here is 4 multiplied by what? Side equal 48. The side it's gonna be what? 48, 4 multiplied by what equal 48? We can divide the 48 divided by 4. 12. Here is the side, it's gonna be 12. Concentrate. And he asks you about what is the area. Area, you know the area of a square side by side. Yani S multiply by S. Side multiply by side. Again. Here is 12. يبقى instead of side I put 12. Here is I put 12 multiply by 12. Look at it 100, 144 like this. Okay, what I mean. Again, sometimes I give it to you the perimeter and you want to area. If I give it to you area of a square, find perimeter. Yani here is the area is 25. The area is 25, find the perimeter. How to get it? We have to find the side. You know the area is side multiply by side. I speak about a square now. Side by side. يبقى 25. Which is the number multiplied by itself equal 25. This means the square root. يبقى 25 is 5. يبقى the side is 5. يبقى here is side is 5. The perimeter, as we said before, side multiply by 4. Because 5 multiply by 4. Because we get it 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. If you add them, we'll get it 20, like this. Okay, concentrate. Here is the opposite. Here is the square, the area of a square 25. How long is the side of square? Which number multiply by itself? What the meaning? Square root. Square root of 25 is 5. Yes, like this. And sometimes find the perimeter. I do it like this, 5 multiplied by 4, we get it 20. Yes. The next one. Here is a rectangle above has a perimeter. What the meaning by perimeter? Here is a 20. One side is 20. And here is a perimeter of rectangle. Again, concentrate. Perimeter of the rectangle. Length plus width multiplied by 2. Length plus width multiplied by 2. Length, I don't know, the length is 20 plus W width multiplied by 2 equals 54. We can multiply by 2, distributive property, or we can divide it by 2 as you like. 2 multiplied by 20 as you like, or 2 multiplied by W, or we can cancel. 2, we can divide it by 2 here, divided by 2. You can cancel 2. Here 20 plus W, sorry, 20 plus W, 20 plus W equal 54 divided by 2, 27. يبقى the W, which number add to 20, take another side, change the sign, يبقى W equals 7, like this. Concentrate in this way on this problem. Okay, 57. Here is the same, repeated, divided by 4, yes. The next one, what is the ordered pair? The next one, what is the ordered pair? Ordered pair, you know that the first is X and the second is Y, ordered pair. What ordered pair is 5 units to the right, yani this means positive. And here is the coordinate, here is right, okay, right, left, and up, and here is down, like this. Right, left, up. Your right is positive, left is negative, up positive, here is negative, and so on. Here is your 5 unit to the right. Here is 5 positive, and the 3 unit up, 3 also positive. Yes, what I mean. 5, concentrate 5, and the 3, like this. Okay, the next one. The next one. What is the point? What is the point A located? Here is, we have to know that is I start from X and up to Y again. I can't change order the pair X and Y, not Y and X. I start from X. Here is 2 and up to what? To 7. Here is the answer gonna be 2 and 7. I want to illustrate something. How to represent, for example, 2 and 0. Some students confuse point, for example, K, 2 and 0. 2 in X and 0, not up in Y, and here is the point K. But sometimes if I ask you to plot, what the meaning by plot to represent the point 2 and 0. Here is 2 without up. How to represent M is 0 and 2 to see the difference between them. 0 and 2. 0 here, up to. Here is also is E. No problem, E. How to represent this point? E is 0 and 2. Here is 0 up to. Again, you have to concentrate in ordered pair. First for X and the second for Y, and so on. Another thing, here is, we have a 4 part. We can count. The first one is called the first quadrant, second, third, fourth. First, why I didn't do like this? Yani, some students, why, Mr. We can say first, and here is second, and here is why you do, and here is fourth. Yani 1, 2, 3, 4. Why you do like 1? Because we count anti-clockwise is a positive direction. Anti-clockwise is a positive. Here is a clockwise. Okay, is negative. It is anti-clockwise is a positive direction. If there is, I count from anti-clockwise, it is a positive 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, what I mean. Next question. With the same, here is 2 mile east. Here is east, west, north, south, and 0 and 0. Here is 2 mile east, and 2 in the positive. If here is 2, I move 2, 1, 2. And 4 mile north, I move up 1, 2, 3, 4. I let you like this. Okay. Here is what I mean in this problem. Yeah. The next question, where is the point A? As we said before, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 in X and up until to reach 7. Here is 4 and 7. Concentrate. We can't say 7 and 4. 4 because I start from X and Y. Okay. The next one. Here is, we are, what are the coordinates from origin to origin? 0 and 0. Here is 0 and 0. 0 and 0. Here is in the middle. The next one, plot 1 and negative 5. 1, 1, here is 1, and down to negative 5. Here is, it's gonna be in which quadrant? As we said before, first, second, third, fourth, anti-clockwise. Here is a fourth quadrant, like this. Okay. Point A again. Point A. Here is point A. You can see it. It is 4, and here is in the middle, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6. Where is 5? Where is 3? But 5 and 3, like this. Okay, the next one. The next one. What's the order pair for point C? Here is point C. 6. I start from X. Here is 0 and 0. Here is 6 and 5. 6 and 5, and so on. Yes. The next one. Ordered pair of point H. Point H. Here is H like this. 1, 2, 3, and down to the negative 3 and the negative 6, like this. Again, we start from X, and after that Y. We can't do the opposite because they say ordered pair, like your name. First your name, second your father name. Negative 6 and the negative 2. Negative 6, I start from X, as we said, negative 6. Here is negative 6 until I reach negative 6, and down negative 2. Yes, the point H. Okay. The next one. Plot again, we do it. It's repeated 1 and the negative 5. Yes, as we said in fourth quadrant. Yes, here is we finish. Now we finish our revision, and I hope get the full mark, inshallah. And try to concentrate, read all the question before you answer. Many times you have to understand, write the rule first, after that do the step, concentrate in how to convert between units. Thank you for watching, and you see I hope to see you to the next time or next year, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.